我不管谁讲什么，反正最少就是要劝人家吃素就对了 ，OK 。然后别的事情再说，对了。不管讲什么多好啊，辩才无碍什么，那个就是第二界的境界而已，听懂吗？你讲人家听，人家哭，人家闹，人家跳来跳去，哈利路亚等等，那些就是二界 ，OK。我是一界，就是动到我们那个感情的这个部分，哎，所以大家都哭哭闹闹的，然后跳来跳去，哈利路亚、拥护等等，那个不一定怎么了不起的，OK。反正灵修就不一样 ，OK。灵修就跟外表那些不一样啊。这个我们这些很多啊，很多人家会演讲啊，就比我还要精彩的了啊。然后大家都哭哭闹闹，然后笑，然后一大堆，然后昏倒都有了，OK。各样都有啊。人家听是很好，不过不是讲话而已，懂不懂？不是讲话给人家掉眼泪或者是感动那些，这些演戏的人也会啊，很多电影啊，有没有？我们看也会掉泪啊，是吗？我昨天看了一部电影啊，因为动物的关系啊，我看他们在非洲以前哈，那个杀那些silverback gorilla， oh terrible. Oh, I also cry and I scream. Terrible. It's like almost like a documentary film about. It's a long time already. But I normally don't have time to go movies to watch in the movies theater when it first came out. So I watch it maybe backward many years afterward, free, cheap on TV, by the way. Oh, it was terrible. I wonder how can we as a human race who has such a beautiful heart inside could do such thing to helpless and beautiful animals who only lives in the jungle. They don't even eat your vegetable. They don't harm anybody. And they live together so nice. And they even recognize their adopted mother when their mother were killed by poachers. So when they took her away from the adopted mother, she cried, and she stretching her hand to call the human mother, and I cannot bear. I almost want to leave this world immediately. I really wanted to. I thought this world is really too much for anybody to bear. Killing each other, killing animals, killing the same religious believers, same religions, brothers and sisters, etc., and killing anybody, children, innocent children, women, anybody, old or young alike. And I also cry a lot. Nobody need to preach me anything. So sometimes this is emotion part, okay? Also compassion part. Yeah, it depends. This is compassion part. And the emotion part is when they talk about humans, drama, husband and wife, love, separated lovers and separated family members, etc. Yeah, and then it touch our emotional quality. Yeah, the loving quality within us, and that's also very good. But the most important of all is that enlightenment. If no enlightenment, at least loving kindness to all beings and animals, meaning tell people to be vegan, at least vegetarian. So anybody who talks a lot and have a lot of followers and everybody jump around crying or fainting on the ground, whatever, I don't care. Because you can go watch a movie and people, they don't have to be in front of you. Just acting only, not real even, then you can cry. Or you can hate also. Hate that bad guy. Oh, do something. You see what I mean? Yeah. So people who watch movies, they still can jump on their seat as well, yeah? All kind of thing. So it doesn't matter who says what. If it's not about being kind to each other and being kind also to animals, then I don't care too much. It's all political, understand? Politics. It's easy to side with the governments and tell everybody to be good citizen or whatever, yeah, then the government will let you go everywhere, maybe give you money even to go, yeah, because it's good. But that doesn't mean it can help much, spiritually or in the long term, yes? Of course, we love our fellow humans, but we have to also love animals. Otherwise, we are not really a real hero and a real human.